Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set up minimum purchase discount in your Shopify store. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on discount section. Then click on create discount and then you can select amount of order. And you can enter the discount code or automatic discount. And enter the flat 10% off as the discount code. And you can select the percentage or the fixed amount as well. Here I'm selecting percentage, 10%, and it will be applicable for the one-time purchase. And here I'm selecting minimum purchase amount will be 2,000 and it will be applied to all the products and for all the customers. And you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. And you can also limit to one use per customer. If you want to combine this product discount with any other discount, then you can also select that. And if you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can also select it from here. And then save your discount. Now I will just copy that discount code and now we will test the setup on our online store. Go to your products and I will add products to the cart for more than 2,000 rupees. For example, this product. Now I will try to check out. So I will enter the discount code here. So here you can see that order discount flat 10% off has been applied for whole the order. So that's it. You have successfully set up the minimum purchase discount in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.